Platform for online teaching. Is it amazing? We have learned a lot of things. Now, platform for online teaching is Zoom meeting. As one of the platform, you can confidently teach your student and show your desktop screen where your PowerPoint presentation. Your desktop screen, you have planned some screen or videos, slides, document. You keep sharing easily. You do not need to write, so you can use the whiteboard feature on Zoom. So you can practice mathematics, so you can also share, prepare also and display your handwriting over there and something easily connected online. So are you still confident and keep practicing an online platform, Zoom meeting? There is another platform is streamyard.com. You can join this account and share with the number of platforms from StreamYard and connect with the face-to-face like in Zoom meeting. Another Facebook feature there is subject Facebook groups. You can go live and directly go live with the people in from your profile or page or groups, or also interact with the people. And you can also teach with the offline recording or online recording for that, but still teaching online recording videos or online live videos can be helpful for the student to connect more better engagement. And discussion is also there. Whatever you teach your students, and your students going to learn more about it. So keep practicing and teach them number of platforms too. They're coming there from their lives or StreamYard. They're going their lives to teach other students, because teaching is something that you have to make them assignments to teach more people online. So commit yourself to teach yourself and your student to teach the same things. That is my motive, to teach you, that you also teach your student and encourage they teach their skills or their things to online and go number of platforms. Let's move to the next video. Thank you.